Hello everyone, my name is Alima and today I will show you how to make a purchase on Flip.Kz. Firstly, we should open our website on the browser. We type Flip.Kz and the main page will be opened. As you can see from the top navigation bar, there is an icon of location with the city name of Aktobe. I will choose my own city. On the top left side of the page, there is an icon of menu with 3 lines in a row. It is a catalog where all the sections are contained. For example, food, health and beauty, books, electronics, whatever you would like to see. It makes it easy to find goods by their categories. Also, on the right side of this catalog icon, you can see a label for searching. If you know exactly what you are looking for, it's the best way to find out then. Between the location and basket icons, you can see an icon of user with words login and the My section. To make any purchases, first you should pass through the registration part, then you will have your own section with orders. Now your basket is empty, so let's put in this basket some goods. Registration part is very easy. You just need to fill in the form your name and email address, create and confirm a password, then click the button sign up. I have already signed up, so I just log in with my email address and password. Now this is my section page where my orders, payments and address book, personal data and general information is stored. Here I can see my scores and discounts. Also check my basket with products. Now I will try to demonstrate to you how to make a purchase. We go to the catalog and choose one of these sections. Now, this is the section Books. There you can see firstly the books that are available, which means that they are in stock. Let's choose this book. Don't be the second one. There is a title of the book and author's name. You see the word with the red background, so it means sales leader. Here is the image of the book and price, 3,500 tenge. Short description of the book. Also, there is rating stars and only one review written. There is a detailed information about book, authors, translators' names. Also, you can see some recommendations with the same price or genre you might be interested in. And customers' review. You can also give some feedback. On the right side of the page in the block quote, you can see the word in garbage, so it will be shipped from the stock on 7th of May. If you want to buy several books, you can add to the amount, then click on the button Add to Cart. There is a message that product was added to the cart and we can check it out. Now let's select the new order and turn to the address and shipping method part of the checkout. Now you have to fill the address form as I did it before and save it. It is a delivery method selection. We have two delivery methods, courier and mail post. Courier delivery is not available because of the pandemic, so we have to choose mail post selection. It is a payment method selection. You can perform payment card online, which is electronic payment, or COD, which means paying while you are receiving your product on the post office. It is a verification and confirmation part of the checkout, so we have to check the data and confirm the order carefully. If you want to change your address or delivery or payment method, so you can do it right now. Now, if we have finished our checkout part, now let's click the button Confirm the order. It is the final part of the checkout. Here is the number of your order and here's the message that says that our order will be checked in the future and you will receive additional information by your email. If there will be some point of issues, the managers will send you SMS notifications. Now we can go to the My section part, to the My Orders, to see our last new order. There is an information about your goods and information about the delivery, order history and payment information. As the payment state says that it is not paid, you can cancel the order if you want. If you really want to cancel the order, you have to indicate the reason for canceling the order. And now we can see that our order was cancelled. If you have some problems, you can call to these phone numbers, ask for some help. Now let's try to find out the book, which is called Notebook. We have found it by searching and we can see an information about this book, author, short description, feedback, reviews. etc. On the right side of the page in the block code, it says that this item is currently out of stock, which is not available. And we click the button Report Admission. And now we can see the message, "We will notify you when the notebook arrives." Now it is the end of our tutorial how to make a purchase on Flip.Kz, so we can log out.